Good, good morning and Jai Hind. I am Nutan Gupta. I am sending the chapter of the struggle for independence, SST chapter 19. We will start from the mind opener. There were many Indians who did not want to British to leave India. हमारे भारत में कुछ ऐसे भारतीय थे जो नहीं चाहते थे ब्रिटिश लोग भारत छोड़कर जाएं. Because they were gaining the profit from them and they were the habitual of them, and some of the Indians are getting comfortable with them. There were so many reasons they don't want to British to leave the India. Social reformer. Before the revolt of 1857, some educated Indians had realized that there were several social ills in the Indian society. Practices like caste system, killing of the female babies, and sati and child marriage. Means before 1857, some of the educated Indians, means there are so many educated Indians, but some of them realized that there were so many social ills. By this, our Indian society kept the backward. So, these are some: caste system, killing of the female babies, sati and child marriage. Caste system. In this ill, social ills, they feel that you are a Muslim, you are a Hindu, so they have so many differences between caste. And killing of the female babies, when the some peoples come to know that their wife about to give the birth female baby, then they started to killing them. And sati, when some people were dead after the war, then their wives and their ladies give their life with their husbands in the flame. And child marriage, when the children get the marriage in the age of 12 and 14. War evil divided the society and kept it backward. These are the some evils, social evils, which divided our society and kept our society backward. These were the main reason for sad state of India and its people. The educated Indians realized that removal of these outdated customs and superstition were necessary for progress of the Indian society. Then educated Indians realized we should remove these outdated customs and some superstition which are spread in our society. Without remove these ills, we can't progress for our Indian society. We can't imagine that our Indian society get improvement. This could be done by educating the people. Only this could be done by the educating the people, and those who those who were the educated, they their duty their duty should be the Indians. Their duty should be educated to other Indians. So several social reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Dayanand Saraswati, and Syed Ahmad Khan fought against these evils. There are some pictures. First is Raja Ram Mohan Rai, second Dayanand Saraswati, and third one is Syed Ahmad Khan. Look at this picture very carefully, children. Now second is the rise of the Indian nationalism. Revolt of 1857 made the people of India realize that injustice of British rule and value of freedom. Means, what was the revolt of 1857? They made the people to realize the injustice of British rule and value of freedom. The people most affected by the thinking that educated Indians. There are so many people, those who were very affected by the educated Indians. They became more and more dissatisfied with the British rule, because they are in previous chapter we had a study about their unjust rule, whatever they had made British for gaining profit. Many of the people and some Englishmen who support them came together in 1885 and formed the Indian National Congress. Then After the dissatisfaction, so many pupils came together in 1885 and formed the Indian National Congress, INC. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay. After that, it met in different cities every year. Means first session to be held of Indian National Congress in Bombay, and after that there are so many there are so many sessions. At first, Indian National did not raise the question of freedom from the British rule. This was not the motive of the Indian National Congress, that how can we how can we get the freedom from the British rules. Their main demand was to bring the reform so that Indian could lead more free and better life under the British. Even they want that whatever is going on, whatever was going on, they live peacefully with their mind, and they should be aware about whatever they are going to wear. There are some important some of the important leaders at this time. At this time, there were some important leaders in Indian National Congress. Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Bhomesh Chandra Banerjee. They were referred to the moderates. Who were the moderates? Moderates means those who have the soft approaches. Now next, this is the picture of member of the Indian National Congress, and at its first meeting in 1885. Now, however, several other leaders were not in favor such a soft approach. कुछ ऐसे पीपल थे जो नहीं इस सॉफ्ट अप्रोच के फेवर में थे. They felt that they should gain nothing by following such approach. They thought that we never get the freedom by this approach. They preferred the stronger and more active opposition to British. They thought that they thought that we should be more strong, more active, and we should stand opposition of the British. They wanted Swaraj, self rule, for the Indians. They were called extremists or radicals. Some of the important leaders of this group were Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, and this was the famous slogan of Bal Gangadhar Tilak: "Freedom is my birthright, and I shall have it." And he started the newspaper name of Kesari, in which they have written so many things about and spoke so many things against British. He wanted to arouse the feeling of patriotism in the Indians. This was the motive of Kesari. He wanted to arouse the feeling of patriotism in Indians. These were the picture of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Dadabhai Naoroji, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Thank you.